Hi everyone, this is Anne and I'm going to be critiquing an e-portfolio for this teacher. Her name is Gretchen Siebel and she has a really nice e-portfolio. It's very easy to navigate. She has the different sections at the top. When you click on them, it brings you to that section of her site. It is very clean. It gives you all the information you'd want for an e-portfolio, kind of like a digital resume, certifications. It's all laid out nicely. Aesthetically, I love how she has these little emblems and then they match throughout the site for different sections, so that looks good. I love how that look. She has videos that give you examples of her lessons and everything works that I've clicked on. You can get to their newsletter, which is cool. Everything works. When you look at this site, it doesn't leave you with any questions or anything, and everything worked. So I don't really see anything wrong with this site. No dislikes, but I do think she did a really nice job. And I'm just checking her contact information. I really like this graphic that she used here and how she makes it easy to get in touch with her. Thanks.